Well, it is chilly today. Gray skies, just not looking too great. Windy. Supposed to be like super strong winds this afternoon from like 1 till 5, which is when I'll be doing a good portion of the riding, so that's perfect. I think I got like 120-ish today. I'm not too sure, but somewhere around there. It'll be a grind, so let's get to it. I have mixed emotions when I see these things. I'll give you a few reasons why. First reason, if they're there in the first place, it means it's notoriously windy and it's enough for them to think we can have a good return on an investment for putting one of these things up. So wind is either really good or terrible. And the second thing I look for is if I'm going this way, which way are they pointing? I always want them pointing the opposite way at me, because that means the wind is blowing into them, which means it's helping me out. So it's a good thing today. All signs are pointing that way. Well, like over 100K in, I was on that bypass road and the cop told me I can't be on it, so I just got off and came through town, and now I'm back on the road I wanted to be on. I was going to go 120 today, but I've been moving pretty good, so I think I'm going to try and do 140-ish, so maybe another 40K from now, and then see how it goes. It's starting to rain now, so wish me luck. 20K left, and it's raining. Well, we made it to Norwalk, 147K, so pretty big day. Oh man, I cannot stress enough how much difference the wind makes. So like today it took around 7 hours to do the 140 with a few breaks here and there when I got stopped by the cop quick, and then when I was trying to figure out how far to go. So 7 hours, and then yesterday it was like 6 hours and I barely did 100. Didn't even do 100, did 99. So, and I feel way less tired today than I did yesterday. So it's just all depends on the wind. Like the wind can make or break your day. So it started raining at the end, so got a little wet, but we made it here. Extra 20 than what I was expecting to do, so glad for that. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow and keep it not so bad. Bye now.